Welcome to FeelAstro.com's exclusive channel related to Vedic astrology. In this video, let's watch the general characteristics and the compatibility of Aslesha with other nakshatras or birth stars. To watch the compatibility of Aslesha with a specific nakshatra, please click on the timeline link in the description below. Please like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Aslesha is the 9th nakshatra or lunar mansion in Vedic astrology. Sarpas or snakes are the ruling deity of this nakshatra. The symbol of this nakshatra is a coiled snake. The ruling lord of this nakshatra is Mercury, and we can see a different nature of Mercury in these nakshatras. Aslesha shows perfection in work. They will finish any work assigned to them with patience and accuracy. However, they will exhibit responsibility only in areas of their interest and will show disinterest and negligence in other areas. They will be well versed in general knowledge and materialistic wisdom. Aslesha gives priority to physical and materialistic happiness rather than to emotional or mental intimacy. They generally lack gratitude in life. They will make money from different sectors at the same time. This nakshatra, with its Asleshana Shakti, is capable of destroying its enemies or rendering them weak and harmless. Now let's check the love and marriage compatibility of Aslesha nakshatra with other nakshatras. Aslesha Ashwini. Ashwini will understand and accept the weakness, flaws, and limitations of Aslesha. Aslesha will feel curiosity as well as attraction towards the lifestyle of Ashwini. Ashwini's ideologies will bring Aslesha close to them. They will maintain a rare and extraordinary bond with each other. Aslesha Bharani. Bharani is capable of maintaining an emotional bond in a love relationship. However, if they develop possessiveness in the relationship, then they will start doubting their partner. Aslesha and Bharani will be able to maintain an active relationship with love and friendliness. If Bharani doesn't feel insecure in this relationship, then this relationship will progress without impediments. Aslesha Kritika. Kritika has a criticizing mentality. Some may also try to dominate in a relationship. Aslesha may initially like this nature, but later they may run away from such a partner. Having great expectations from a relationship is something Aslesha cannot tolerate. If both the partners can enjoy freedom, then this will be a nice relationship. Aslesha Rohini. Aslesha may not be interested in romance in a relationship, but Rohini loves to indulge in romance. Rohini's imaginations about love are very beautiful and artistic. Rohini's magnetic personality and beauty will attract Aslesha towards them. However, Aslesha may not be able to fulfill the dreams of Rohini in a relationship. Aslesha may also feel monotonous or aversion towards Rohini's romantic ideas. Aslesha may distance themselves from such a relationship. Aslesha Mrigashira. Mrigashira has an inquiring mind. Aslesha may sometimes appear to be a mysterious personality. Aslesha's public persona is that they are very secretive, but in fact, they are not good at keeping secrets. Aslesha and Mrigashira will take time to get close to each other. The main reason for this delay in emotional intimacy is due to their doubting nature. Aslesha Ardra. Ardra may be sometimes very active and adventurous in a love relationship. However, Aslesha may refrain from showing an enterprising attitude. The initial attraction felt by Aslesha towards Ardra may fade with time. Both may find partners' fault and fight with each other. Aslesha Punarvasu. Punarvasu has a virtuous and calm nature. Aslesha will feel relieved and enjoy support in this relationship. They will have a strong bond in love and a greater bond in friendship between them. Aslesha doesn't like advice and corrections from others. However, Aslesha will accept the suggestions and guidance given by Punarvasu to some extent. But if Punarvasu overdoes such things, then Aslesha may alienate from the relationship. Aslesha Pushya. Aslesha, which generally maintains a slow pace in different areas of life, will consider Pushya to be too fast and a workaholic type. Initially, Aslesha will be curiously delighted about Pushya's nature and will develop admiration towards them. When they become close to each other, Aslesha will be more attached and impressed by Pushya. They will maintain a strong bond with good compatibility. Aslesha. No other partner can understand Aslesha as another Aslesha. They will share a beautiful bond. Both the partners will be ready to share their pains and gains with each other. They will accept each other's faults effortlessly. Both of them will be passionately involved in this relationship. At the same time, they will enjoy freedom they desire in a relationship. Aslesha Magha. Both Aslesha and Magha gives more importance to physical intimacy rather than emotional closeness. They may be good love partners, but when it comes to marriage, they may not be very compatible life partners. Ignoring responsibilities in the relationship by both the partners will aggravate issues between them. Aslesha Purva Falguni. Purva Falguni has a practical mentality. Even in spiritual matters, they may have a logical approach, whereas Aslesha's spirituality is linked to repentance. Therefore, there may be an incompatibility between them regarding spiritual thoughts. However, on a material level, they may show interest in each other. They will have physical intimacy rather than emotional closeness. Aslesha Uttara Falguni. Aslesha will be in a dilemma in this relationship. It will be too sweet to spit and too bitter to swallow. If Aslesha loves Uttara Falguni according to their desires, they may become more demanding, and if Aslesha stays away from the relationship, then Uttara Falguni will complain about this. If Aslesha can balance these two aspects of the relationship, then they will be able to maintain a smooth relationship. Aslesha Hasta. Hasta revels in freedom in a relationship. Aslesha will like this attitude of Hasta. However, sometimes Hasta may become demanding on an emotional level. Aslesha despises too much dependency on the relationship by Hasta. Aslesha may not be able to understand the true love and romance shown by Uttara Falguni in this relationship. Aslesha Chitra. The relationship between Aslesha and Chitra on the whole will be a pleasant one. Chitra will be curiously delighted and attracted towards the character traits of Aslesha. Aslesha will enjoy the love and friendliness shown by Chitra. Both of them will be able to open up their desires and imaginations in a love relationship. Aslesha Swati. The relationship between Aslesha and Swati may suffer from communication gaps or misunderstandings. They should remain as good friends in this relationship rather than as lovers. Since Aslesha likes to indulge in the material aspect of a relationship, they may feel their bond with Swati is inactive. However, if Swati stays away from the relationship, then Aslesha may feel unhappy and may become possessive. Aslesha Vishakha. Both Aslesha and Vishakha may try to dominate in this relationship. Generally, Aslesha doesn't foster a competitive mentality. But may sometimes show an unnecessary stubbornness in their relationship with Vishakha. Vishakha may also deal with a competitive mindset. Both the partners will give priority to mutual trust, but they may not be able to maintain it in this relationship. Aslesha Anuradha. Anuradha has specific perspectives about love and life, whereas Aslesha in love or marriage believes in freedom and has a light-hearted approach. Aslesha doesn't succumb to pressure and they also don't accept advice. Though Aslesha may be attracted to Anuradha, they will not be able to stay in this relationship as desired by Anuradha. Aslesha Jeshta. The relationship between Aslesha and Jeshta will be a nice one. Aslesha will encourage and support Jeshta during its ups and downs. There will be a strong mutual attraction between them. They may fall in love at the first sight. However, both of them should refrain from impulsive behavior in this relationship. Aslesha Moola. Aslesha and Moola nurture different views regarding spirituality. There will be no visible issues in this relationship. However, both the partners will not be completely satisfied in this relationship. They should try to open up with each other. They should make each other aware of the love and sacrifices they make in this relationship. Yet, they should not develop possessiveness in this relationship. Aslesha Purvashada. Purvashada may be fickle-minded and inconsistent in their ways, so they effortlessly adapt to the changing situations. Whereas Aslesha doesn't easily forgo their sufferings or forget painful incidents. Purvashada's light-hearted approach towards challenging situations may arouse suspicion in Aslesha. They will be happy as good friends rather than as life partners. Aslesha Uttarashada. Uttarashada with mongoose and Aslesha with snake as their nakshatra animal will have a difficult equation between each other. Both of them may compete with each other to find faults in their partners. Once broken, it may be difficult to mend this relationship. Aslesha Sravana. Aslesha and Sravana have contrasting perspectives regarding love and life. However, Aslesha may be curiously delighted and attracted towards Shravana's ideologies and lifestyle. Somehow, the mutual attraction between them may not develop into love. There will be no conflict in this relationship, but both the partners will feel unsatisfied. Aslesha Dhanishta. Dhanishta has a specific perspective about life. They are usually enthusiastic and fun-loving people. Aslesha will be able to find a matching love partner in Dhanishta. Both Aslesha and Dhanishta has a non-traditional outlook in matters regarding love and believes in independent or free ideologies. Therefore, both the partners will be happy in this relationship. Aslesha Shadhabisha. Aslesha and Shadhabisha may suffer from a communication gap between each other. Both of them will wish to maintain this relationship, but they may not take any effort to make it a success. Mutual trust will be less in this relationship. They should be ready to talk about love and the necessity for romance in their relationship. Aslesha Purvabhadrapada. There are a lot of things in Aslesha that will attract Purvabhadrapada. Therefore, Purvabhadrapada may develop a sincere love for Aslesha. Purvabhadrapada will desire stability in the relationship which Aslesha may not be able to fulfill. Aslesha doesn't take love and relationship that seriously. If Aslesha doesn't cause mental agony to Purvabhadrapada, then this relationship will progress without impediments. Aslesha Uttarabhadrapada. Uttarabhadrapada's perspective about love is intense and beautiful. Cow, being the nakshatra animal for Uttara Bhadrapada, will be very loving and caring in a relationship. Uttara Bhadrapada may not be able to accept Aslesha's non-traditional ways of love. However, if Aslesha is willing to understand the delicate ways of Uttara Bhadrapada in a relationship, then they can be good love partners. Aslesha, Revati. Aslesha and Revati have Mercury as their nakshatra lord, but Mercury influences both these nakshatras in a dissimilar way. Revati desires to gain knowledge and wisdom, whereas Aslesha tries to explore the mystical nature of our existence. They may suffer from a communication gap in their relationship regarding each other's likes and demands in the relationship. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back soon with another one.